let's talk about searching a list with wildcard characters. We've already learned about the different methods to search within a list, especially the column and list search options. We're now going to spice it up. You can get the most out of your searches with the power of wildcards, as they enable you to match variations and patterns in your search terms. They're particularly useful when you're unsure about the exact spelling or have only a portion of the information you're looking for. You can use wildcard characters in your global text search, knowledge bases, searchable lists, and reference fields. ServiceNow supports several wildcard characters to expand and refine your search results. Here are the available list search wildcards. You can use an asterisk with a search term to look up values that contain that term. If you start with a person sign and your search term next, you're searching for values that end with that term. You can start with an equal sign to search for values that are the exact match for your keyword. You can also use the exclamation mark to provide the opposite results. For example, starting with an exclamation mark and then an asterisk allows you to search for values that don't contain that term. Starting with an exclamation mark and then the equal sign, you can look up values that don't equal your search term. All right, I'm going to demonstrate these on a test instance. Let me navigate to the list of all incidents and search for the keyword email on the short description with the asterisk wildcards. I can see the list of all incidents where the short description contains the word email. This also includes those that start with this keyword. If I change it to a person sign and search it again, I can see the list of all incidents where the short description ends with the keyword email. Let's try the exclamation mark with an asterisk this time and search for the same keyword. This lists all incidents where the short description does not contain email. Now let's try the equal sign wildcards. I want to search for the phrase reset my password. There are two incidents where the short description exactly matches my search terms. If I use the exclamation mark at the beginning of my search, this should return all incidents where the short description does not say reset my password. I can use wildcards in the list search when searching for a text, which means I'm searching for my keywords across all fields in each record, not only the short description. Using the person sign with the keyword phone, I can see one match, and that's the incident where the keyword iPhone is part of the short description. Now, let me change my wildcard to an asterisk. I'm presented with a list of incidents where the keyword phone is mentioned. So I can see iPhone, headphone, my desk phone, and probably incidents where this keyword is somehow used in a field. Now, I want to use multiple wildcards in my search. Let's mix and match. This time, I will use the person sign, the letter M, an asterisk, and the letter L. Let's see what results we get. In the results, I can see email, but at the same time, I can see employee. You can also find some examples that are more related to your line of business. Feel free to explore and put them into practice. I hope you enjoyed this topic. See you back in the next video.